So in this video I will discuss how to connect Dynamics 365 online version from a console application in C Sharp, because in C Sharp whenever we want to create an application to connect Dynamics 365 for fetching some entity record information, or to do CRUD operation from console application connecting to the Dynamics 365 application, we require some level of code. So I just want to read the number of accounts, the count of number of accounts available in account entity. You can see here in my environment, it is total number of 97 account informations are there. So I want to read what is the number of accounts available here. So for that we have to create a console application, and the first step is we have to uh, install the all required binaries or DLL files for CRM SDK. So for that, right click the solution or right click the console application, then click on manage NuGet packages. Here we have to search the Microsoft .crm sdk.core assembly, then you can install the latest version. I have already installed, so it is showing on install. So install this version. Once you install, you will find all the required DLLs are available in your reference folder. So these are all DLLs that are installed because of NuGet package installation. Now the next stage is in the main program. You have to add these namespaces using Microsoft CRM SDK messages. Then we have another DLL called as namespace system.system service model.description. So these are the required namespaces which are to be mentioned on the class. Then in the main program we can create a I organization service which will call a custom method called as connect Dynamics 365 online using organization service. This is my custom method, so I have defined in below. This method will return the I organization service object. It will take the username password of the user or the admin. Then you have to pass the URL of the organization service URL. This URL you can get from the admin center. If you go to advanced settings and you go to customization, you can click on developer resources. On developer resources at the right side you can find the organization service URL. So this is the organization service URL. You can copy this URL and paste in your variable here. Then we have to declare some .NET objects to create a client credential object. Then we have to pass to the organization proxy service proxy. Then we have to define the service point manager security protocol as TLS 12, right? So this is the security protocol that is used. And so here I am sending a who am I request, so that to read the current login user ID. So if I am getting the current user login ID successfully, then I think that the connection is successful. Now this method connect Dynamics 365 online using organization service will validate your username password with the URL organization URL and return the user ID, and it will print that the connection is established. Now once I am getting this, I will store the organization object in the service object. Then I will alert to the user that do you want to see total account records. Then if user clicks yes, y, then it will give your count here. Okay, so let me run this program. So once I'll run it, first it will validate the credential that we pass, and it will return that the ID is success and the connection is established successfully. Then do you want to see total account records, it is asking me. Then I can put yes, then press enter. So it will show me the total account record, right? Total account in the system equal to 97. Now I can do any CRUD operation in this section, right? Because I have full control over query expression, fetch XML, etc., and query by attributes, all that CRM SDK query processes. I can do that. Okay, if you go to the online also, you can see total number of record are 97. So this is how you can connect to Dynamics 365 application. Okay, so let me know if you want any suggestion or any comment on this. So thank you.